AI video generation has become so good now that a lot of people can't even tell what's real anymore. In fact, some of these channels that are hosted by these AI avatars outright tell you that they are an AI avatar. And lately I've seen a lot of these YouTube channels that are hosted by these AI avatars that are crushing it and are making real money for the people who have created them. If you're anyone like me and you're a bit introverted and you don't want to show your face on camera, but you've always wanted to start a YouTube channel, AI video generators have brought a whole new definition to what it means to be a faceless channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get started on creating your very own ultra-realistic AI generated video. Now, there are two different ways that you can start with AI video generation, and that's either from text prompting into a video or from an image into a video. I personally found in my experience that I had a lot more success in uploading an image and turning it into a video as opposed to starting from scratch from text and trying to convert that into a video. Now, if you want to create an AI video that looks really realistic, it's absolutely crucial that you start with an image that looks realistic. You can either start with an actual photo of yourself or create an image from AI. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to be on camera, you probably don't want to be using a photo of yourself anyway. So I'm going to show you first how you can generate an image of an AI avatar that looks ultra realistic. The tool that I used for the AI avatar picture generation is Nano Banana Pro. I was able to create this ultra realistic AI avatar for me for UGC content. And as you can see, the person looks really realistic. You can't really tell if this is a photo of a real person or not. This is an AI generated image, so the person isn't real. To create an image that's this realistic, as you can see, the prompt is quite extensive and involved. You want to mention things like lighting, the type of camera that you're using, of course, the features of the person. If you would like a copy of the prompt that I used to generate this person, I can give you access to it in the description below. But what I actually did was just ask Gemini itself to create a master prompt for me to create a very realistic AI avatar for me. And this is what it came up with. So I just asked Gemini, write me a prompt on how to create a very photorealistic AI avatar. I'm going to be using Nano Banana. So a master prompt here, a hyper-realistic, high-resolution cinematic portrait, and so on and so forth. So you can ask Gemini to create a prompt for you, and it'll do that. And it even tells you why this prompt is effective. It tells you that it mentions the use of the technical gear, the type of camera that you're using, skin textures, lighting. So you want to include these types of details in your prompt if you plan on prompting it manually, or you can just go ahead and ask Gemini or any other tool for that matter to give you a prompt to produce a photorealistic image for you. Next, I wanted to use this AI avatar to see if I can advertise a coffee company that doesn't exist. So I asked Gemini to come up with some coffee brand names, and it came up with some pretty interesting ones. I like this one here, the Daily Grind. So I just used that. And then I asked it to also create an image of a coffee brand called Daily Grind, image of a cup of iced coffee with brand name on the cup, and have her holding the cup in her car. And later my plan is to change this into a video. So there it is. I liked how it turned out. The person looks pretty real and the cup of coffee looks pretty real as well. So I'm going to go ahead and change this into a AI video. Now that we have our image, we have to use our AI video generating tool. And there are a few out there that you can pick from, but I personally like to use Higgsfield AI, who also happen to be kindly sponsoring this video today. Now, I want you to keep in mind that I have been a paying member of Higgsfield AI well before they even sponsored this video. And at least from my experience, I honestly think it's one of the best video generating tools out there. Not only do you get access to Nano Banana Pro, but you also get access to other popular tools like Seedream 4.5, Higgsfield Soul, Flux 2, and WAN 2.2. When it comes to video generation that we're talking about today, I'm going to be using Kling 3.0, which happens to be a very recent release of a already very powerful tool that Kling is known for. But under Higgsfield's platform, you also have access to other popular video generating tools like Sora 2 and VO 3.1. So I'm going to be using Kling 3.0 to generate this video. And you can see that I've already generated a video of the previous avatar. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload the image that I created here. So this is how I did it. I just created the start frame. These are optional, of course, but I'm also going to provide it the end frame. So now Kling knows that this is the AI avatar that I want to use, and this is the last frame that I want to end the video with. Because the starting image that we provided it was so realistic and it was already a good starting point, I didn't really need to provide a lot more detail. I'm just providing it details on what I want her to say in the video and not really have to describe anymore on how realistic she needs to be. So here I just said, have her say, I've been looking for the best coffee that also fits within my budget, and I think I found it. If you haven't tried Daily Grind yet, you should. I can't get through my day without it now. So under model, you can, of course, click which engine that you want to have create this video for. So I chose Kling 3.0. You can ask for the duration, or you can control the duration here and the resolution between 720p and 1080p. And it'll take you a few minutes for this video to generate, but I think it turned out pretty good for the first shot. So I'll show you how it came out.
I've been looking for the best coffee that also fits within my budget, and I think I've found it. If you haven't tried Daily Grind yet, you should. I can't get through my day without it now.
So for a first attempt, I thought that was really well done. The AI avatar said exactly what I asked her to say, and even the lip sync was just spot on. And what I mean by lip sync is how the sound and the movement of her lips were completely in sync with each other. I mean, there was a little bit of weirdness here when it came to the hand just disappearing into nothing. I mean, that was a bit creepy, but I'm sure you can edit that out using another prompt. But as you can see from the examples that this platform has generated, it's absolutely amazing to see what AI video is capable of doing now. So creating a video of what I just did is just the starting point from what I can see. But if you would like to use higgsfield AI, you can sign up using my link in the description below. It has honestly been really fun and interesting playing with these AI video generating tools. I plan on spending more time in AI video generation to see if I can improve the outcome and the videos that I am able to produce in the future. I personally think that this is a skill set that can be really helpful in the future, whether you use AI video generation to create a YouTube channel or UGC content. And even now, big time companies are paying people to create video ads using AI generation, because it's so much cheaper and faster to be able to create these types of videos without having to pay for film crews or editors, a studio for that matter, and that can be produced within hours, if not sometimes minutes. So I can see that there is a great opportunity here with AI video generation. I hope you found this video useful, and I plan on sharing more of these types of videos on AI generation as I refine my skills and get better in the outcome. I thank you for the time that you have spent with me today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.